The point command places a single entity at a given X and Y position. In survey work, that's often called northing and easting, the X being northing and the easting being Y. In this instance here, you can see point 13 and point 14 and point 73 are used to help the set-out team so they can get the coordinates of that point by referring to a point schedule list that I'll show you in a moment. Point command is called out from draw and point, and you simply indicate the position. So a point has gone in at that location. You can change your point marker by going Format, Point Styles. At the moment it's a square. You could say I want to have a circle inside a square, and you can nominate its size, and now you can see the point marker has changed for the points that I put in, 13, 14 and this new one here. To look at the schedule to get the precise X and Y coordinates, it's the construction detail, and here's our easting or our X, our northing there, and our values there, and our point lists through here. So in this case, the set-out table gives a list of a whole lot of points over this very large job and gives the construction team the coordinates to place and set things out accurately. So your point command or your point entity is a really useful tool. You might, for the sake of argument, be able to see if I zoom in here, these are the point markers put in by a survey team using Total's workstations and their own software. You might want to distinguish your point marker from theirs. So in that case, you'd simply go to Format, Point Styles, maybe take off that. If we could make that gives us now a very different style. Interesting that in that case, the survey team used the same point entity. So theirs is on a different layer in grey, so I guess it is distinguished by the change in colour. So the point is a useful tool, and you need to be aware of the value of formatting the point as well.